Is your Roborock S5 robot vacuum tire bald like this? Don't worry. Let's look at our experiences with customers' problems. We are asked by our customers to fix Roborock S5 that doesn't move properly and has weak suction. Upon checking the robot vacuum, we found the tires were completely bald, so it couldn't run optimally. We recommended a tire replacement. But, check this out. OMG! Dust, and more dirt. Dust accumulation on the fan suction and other parts. That's definitely affecting its performance. We also recommended deep cleaning service to bring it back to life. After obtaining approval, we got to work. Look at this. The tires have been replaced and all sides look cleaner now. To make sure the robot vacuum works smoothly, we test it before returning it. And voila! The robot vacuum can work at maximum performance again. Why choose us for your robot vacuum repair? Expert diagnosis and solutions. Transparent communication with our customers. Swift and efficient repair processes. Thorough unit testing for guaranteed performance. Are you having the same problem? Contact us today.